Okay, hi there, Roland. This report was written by Roland Simon. I would say Simon. It could be Simon as well, but I'm going to go for Simon. Introduction. The aim of this report is to outline my experiences about the cooking course I have recently taken, as well as make contrasting suggestions for its future improvements. So the aim of this report is to outline my experiences about, I'm going to go during, it probably reads better, I'm going to write capital letters, it will help, during the cooking course I have recently taken. I think in this case I might put I recently took. Although I have recently taken. I like took better. As well as, and here, as well as make, I'm going to add a to as well. It just adds clarity. To make contrasting suggestions for its future improvements. The strengths of the course. The course took place in a large venue. The kitchen was spacious and well equipped with 21st century appliances. Students could juggle their difficult university subjects and this extracurricular activity. Good, that's saying it was the timing was good. Our chef was an atypical English person. He had a talent for embellishing his own stories. That's fine. Our chef told us how he killed his master with a pufferfish when he was an apprentice. That's good. We were taught about the global varieties of cuisine. I'm going to lose the "the", about global varieties of cuisine. Varieties, it works. I think I would prefer styles. Yeah, global styles of cuisine. He solely insisted on using organic and healthy ingredients and highlighted the nutritional values of the different fruits and vegetables. Apart from cooking, he imparted to us the most important principles and the basic manners. So he imparted to us the most important principles. Did he impart basic manners? And also without the. So he, apart from cooking, he imparted to us the most important principles and basic manners. I'm trying to work out what you mean by this. I think imparted to us the most important principles. I think you're talking about here manners, the ways of cooking, the most important principles, and basic. I'm going to put techniques, because I think that's what you mean. After the course, we became more health conscious. We learned how we should treat guests and how we serve the meal in the most aesthetically pleasing way. We became familiar with the best marketing ploys, drawing the attention of customers to the most profitable dishes. The weaknesses of the course. There was a dichotomy between theory and practice. When we finished an assignment, we had to begin a new one forthwith. Good. He pushed us to work at a fast pace. By the time we were left to our own devices, we took advantage of the hiatus of the chef. I would say the hiatus in the kitchen. We endeavoured to develop many cooking techniques. To try out, but to develop, not develop out. Okay. Until he came back. Let me change this then. The chef's hiatuses from the kitchen. We endeavoured to develop many cooking techniques until he came back. We asked permission to work without his supervision, but he remained implacable. He disparaged our voices of dissent. Recommendations. In conclusion, I feel that we acquired useful cooking skills coupled with rudimentary ethnic and attitude. We acquired useful cooking skills coupled with and attitude, coupled with a rudimentary knowledge of ethnic foods and a good attitude. However, we missed the chance of learning through trial and error. The course should merge the theoretical and practical teaching approaches together. It would be a win-win situation. Okay, this is good. It's going to pass the CPE. I think I'd probably give it a 6, but I think probably you've done better essays. You can do better than this. There are a few bits here where it's not so clear what you mean. So I hope that's helped you. Take care and bye bye.